This is a duck. It is a big bird with different colored feathers. A duck is a farm animal too. A duck can have brown, black, white, green, and grey colored feathers. Look at all these ducks on the farm. A duck has a small head with 2 eyes and a flat beak. It also has a very short tail. A duck has 2 big wings that help it to fly. It also has 2 legs to walk. Hey, look! What strange feet it has! These special feet are called webbed feet. They help a duck to swim. Do you know that ducks are very good swimmers?